In this video, I will show you how to create a floating placeholder effect using only HTML CSS. Let's first create two input fields. Here I am placing the label after the input field.